Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make oatmeal cookies using only 3 ingredients. If you're looking for food delivery service, please visit Margin Blue Food Services. The link is in the description down below. This video will help St. Martin Montessori Open High School program students to learn how to make oatmeal cookies.
For oatmeal cookies, we need 2 Lakatan bananas, overripe, 1 cup whole rolled oats, 3 tablespoons peanut butter, baking pan, silicone brush, cooking oil for greasing the baking pan, measuring cup and spoon, plate, and fork. Mashed bananas with a fork or potato masher. Add the peanut butter, mix the rolled oats, grease the baking pan or use parchment paper. Form into cookies. Bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. Put it in a cooling rack until the cookies cool completely. Our finished product, oatmeal cookies.
Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.